Hey everyone, so today I'm showing you how to stop someone from calling you on WhatsApp without blocking them on Android. If you still want to receive messages but don't want calls, here are your options. Let's get started. All right, first thing, WhatsApp calls work just like regular phone calls now, so they can be pretty persistent. Unfortunately, there's no direct block calls only option in WhatsApp yet. But here's what you can do. If you want to stop all WhatsApp calls temporarily, search for Do Not Disturb. Now, tap on Do Not Disturb or the moon icon. This enables Do Not Disturb mode, which silences all calls and notifications, including WhatsApp calls. You'll still receive messages, but your phone won't ring when someone calls. Okay, if you only want to stop WhatsApp calls completely, you can turn off WhatsApp notifications. Open your phone's Settings app, then tap on Apps or Notifications. Here, find WhatsApp in the list and tap on it. Then tap Notifications. Look for calls or incoming calls or call notifications and turn off that notification channel. This stops WhatsApp call notifications, but you'll still get message notifications. Now, if you want to stop a specific person from calling you, unfortunately, the only guaranteed way is to block them. Open WhatsApp, find their chat, tap their name at the top, scroll down, and tap on Block. They won't be able to call or message you. And that's it. Those are your options for stopping WhatsApp calls without completely blocking someone. If this helped you out, let me know in the comments below.